Hey everyone, welcome back. If the ING app opens to a blank or a white screen, this is the app usually failing to load data. First, start by closing the apps completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, and then close it completely. After that, wait for a few while and then reopen it. Then, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then, restart your app to refresh fresh background processes. On Android devices, go to your Settings app and clear the ING app cache. Then disable any VPN, screen overlay, or ad blocking apps temporarily. If the blank screen continues, go ahead and long press on the ING app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for your app, and reinstall it again. After reinstalling the latest version from the App Store, log in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.